Hi, and welcome to Love Your Home, our renovation tip of the week by Multi-Trade Building Services. I'm Jackie Stezik, the Project Manager and Marketing Director for Multi-Trade Building Services. We join you every week where we bring you tips about general renovations, kitchens, bathrooms, interior design, and more. Today, we're going to talk about one of the interior design trends of 2021, navy. Now, with the global pandemic, we have all been stuck indoors for extended periods of time, only going out for essential needs. The interiors of our homes then made a big difference, much more than usual, to our mental well being. Consequently, the 2021 interior design trends are a move toward natural, organic, and simple. This becomes a celebration of the Earth's raw materials and subtle use of color to evoke emotion. Navy has and will continue to be one of the most popular colors of 2021. Now, this was a popular color in bathrooms in 2020, and for 2021, it's been a trend color in all aspects of our home. A true neutral, it brings sophistication and masculinity to a room. Navy easily brings the feel of expensive luxury while creating a calm and grounding environment. From being the color of the night sky to the mysterious depths of the sea, navy helps arouse a sense of confidence. Picture a rich navy wallpaper in a dining room with matching dinner plates. There are so many ways to use navy in your decor, from the paint on the walls, throw rugs in a bedroom or a living room, to accessories such as chairs, lamps, or even pillows. If you're using a lot of navy in a room, though, ensure you have plenty of natural light. Do you want to learn more about the 2021 interior design trends? Then listen to my podcasts. Just go to pod.co/love your home/ top 10 interior design trends for 2021. Thank you so much for listening today for our Love Your Home renovation tip of the week, where we discussed one of interior design trends for 2021, navy. Join us next week when we're going to talk about another 2021 design trend, but this time in kitchens. We're going to talk about clean lined cabinets. Thanks again for joining us, and we'll see you next week.